SpaceX is going to build 1,000 starships to move 1 million humans to Mars.
1 million humans want to go?
Yeah. So what's not to like? It's got everything.
Right, yeah.
Beaches, palm trees, Disney World. And no, I guess they're saying that eventually that'll be the case. Last week, May 31st, marked the 10-year anniversary of the completion of SpaceX's first Dragon mission. Only a few years before, on September 28, 2008, the company reached orbit on its fourth attempt. Yeah, they've been doing a lot in a short period of time. But Mars is Mars. And there's a whole different leap to it. Never mind that moon. Because they said the initial people going there, they're not coming back. So you're right. But there's still a ton of... There's a lot of people here. You know?
Yeah.
You find people to sign up. They're like, we'll be the first. I mean, at one time, and it's obviously not a 1-to-1 ratio, but they would say, hey, go to that next country over there.
Right. Yeah.
And they'd be like, I don't know what's over there. They'd be like, go check it out.
They point at them.
They would.
Go.
You had explorers.
Yeah. Yeah.
And they were on sailboats made of wood.
No, you're definitely right.
And that would seem crazy at the time. They were like, am I going to go off the edge of the earth?
There's something...
I'm saying at one point of exploration, there was such a limited amount of knowledge, and they still went for it. They're like conquest or exploration, expedition. There's some pull towards it. Now, you and I, we're old men. We can't even remember what that is.
No.
But there's somebody out there that's built for it.
Yeah, I don't know. It's
Go ahead, Mo. Go ahead.
Did I hear you say that the first people who go there never come back?
Yeah, they're not going to come back.
Is that just you guys being pessimists, or?
No.
They're just going to have to live there forever?
It's a one-way ticket.
Wow. I didn't know that. Definitely not on that list. For sure not on that list.
It's going to be a while till people actually can come back.
Right, because they got to build everything. Yeah. You're
spaceships coming back.
You know, they used to send a lot of criminals.
Where?
Wait, is that a movie?
Yes, Escape. It's with Arnold too. I remember what it is.
Total Recall?
Or no, Escape Plan? Oh no, Total Recall is also.
Wait, Escape Plan? No, I'm talking about sending criminals.
Guys, I'm not talking about any movies here. I'm talking about actual history. Convicts were sent to
Mars?
No, to the New World, Australia, North America,
right.
etc.
Disposable
to populate. That was your mission.
Really?
Go look it up. That's why they always say nation of convicts.
Oh, wow. I'm learning a lot today.
I mean, not exclusively. Obviously, they'd also send a duke and this guy and that guy. Right. And they'd be like, that's your land over there. Look, convicts in Australia.
I know Australia, yeah.
Between 1788 and 1868, 162,000 convicts were transported from Britain to Ireland to various colonies in Australia. Wow. The British government began transporting convicts overseas to American colonies in the early 18th century when transportation ended with the start of the American Revolution. Convicts in Sydney, 1793. The majority of convicts were transported for petty crimes. More serious crimes, such as rape and murder, became transportable offenses.
Imagine you stole something.
It's a transportable offense.
Whoa.
They're like, you're transportable. Yeah. That does sound futuristic. That does sound like some sci-fi.
Transportable?
This is a transportable offense. Can't you see the Black Mirror episode?
Yeah, yeah, I can.
Maybe you live, maybe you don't.
Whoa.
Maybe you make it, maybe you don't. Maybe you set up for future generations. The majority of convicts that were transported, approximately 1 in 7 convicts were women. Political prisoners and another minority group comprise the best known convicts. 20% of modern Australians, in addition to 2 million Britons, have some convict ancestry. 20%.
Convict ancestry.
The convict era has inspired famous novels, films, and other cultural works.
Such as? Oh, I wish they would say.
There you go. This is for you, Mo. It's for you, just this topic.
Right, yeah. No, it's very cool.
Don't commit a transportable offense. I mean, you have deportation. right? That would be, they'd be like, hey, we don't like this crime. Get out of here.
Wait, can anybody just be deported for?
Well,
I don't think I could be deported.
No, I'm not talking about, you're a citizen, Mo.
Yeah.
You can't get deported.
Weren't they or transporting their citizens?
Well, in the case of convicts.
Right.
But if you're from somewhere else, you commit a crime somewhere else, then often you'll be deported.
Yeah.
They use it as a form of punishment in many cases to a place you don't want to go back to.
Right.
As a key.
You left for a reason, probably.
Yeah. Mo, you're a citizen. You understand?
Right. So I'm safe.
I'll show you your paperwork. All right. You're fine. Mo had a realization. She's like, can I be deported? Yeah. Extradition.
Yeah.
Yeah. Or just don't commit any crimes. You'll be all set.
Right.
You'll be all set.
That's a good idea.
There will be no transportable offense if there's no offense in the first place. Although you can imagine some sort of espionage film where you didn't do anything, but you got framed and it was transportable. The title of the movie was Transport.
Liam Neeson?
Liam Neeson's involved. Yeah.